The modern world is constantly changing, from global internet connectivity to worldwide travel. As technology continues to advance, trends in urbanization and population growth require more sustainable solutions.
We're at an inflection point for sustainability because over the next 35 years, we expect to grow our population on planet Earth by 35% to more than 9 billion people. That's going to fundamentally change economies, change societies with big implications for sustainability.
The rising population and increased air travel create an urgent need to focus on green aviation.
The U.S. aviation industry really is a green engine of the economy. We move people and goods and drive the economy while minimizing our environmental footprint.
JetBlue delivers green aviation to our customers in 3 ways. The first is by running a sustainable operation. That means lean and mean, no wasted fuel so we can keep ticket prices down and carbon emissions low. The second is through sustainable tourism. That means making sure they're beautiful, natural places for people to still want to go to when they go on vacation. And the third is through climate change and climate leadership, making sure that we can fly more, faster and better into the future while holding down our carbon emissions and pollution.
Leading the way to solve some of these challenges, United Technologies believes that profitable, responsible operations should not compromise the environmental or economic health of future generations.
United Technologies is a Fortune 45 company with 200,000 employees around the world, developing technologies to move the world forward in aviation, buildings, and food refrigeration. We do that with big brands like Pratt & Whitney that makes jet engines. We do it with Otis elevators and escalators. We do it with Carrier heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems. And with our United Technologies aerospace systems business, we have components on board almost every airplane flying. So that means every second of every day, an airplane takes off with United Technologies systems on board.
United Technologies is also fully committed to reducing its own environmental footprint.
Sustainability at United Technologies means we can do good for the planet while we do good for our customers and while we do good for our share owners. The first way we do it is we make sure we minimize the environmental footprint of our operations, like our factories. The second thing we do is we maximize the environmental technologies in our products so that they use less energy. And the third thing that we do is that we engage with the world around us. We engage with our customers, our employees, with stakeholders to advance sustainability in everything that we do.
The company has developed the world's most fuel-efficient jet engine in its class. The geared turbofan is the latest game-changing innovation of UTC's Pratt & Whitney division, a world leader in the design and manufacture of aircraft engines.
It broke a code that was 40 years old. The last big advance in jet engines was the 747. What the gear does is it let us shrink the rest of the engine. 40% fewer airfoils, 6 fewer stages, takes out a lot of the heavy, expensive parts of the engine and replaces it with a gear. And it's super efficient. It's 99.5% efficient. People didn't believe such a gear was possible. It has no precedence in mechanical life. Pratt did it.
United Technologies invested $11 billion to bring to market the world's most fuel-efficient jet engine. This engine saves 16% on fuel burn, which is a generational gain in fuel efficiency for a jet engine. It also saves 50% on the nitrous oxide particulate emissions of the engine. And then more than that, it reduces the noise footprint of the jet engine by 75%. Now we know our orders, so by 2025, this engine will save 15 billion gallons of fuel, which is enough fuel to go to Mars and back.
United Technologies is taking sustainability to the next level by designing life support systems for the human mission to Mars.
I think getting to Mars in our lifetime is absolutely possible. Right now, many of the core technologies that are required to go to Mars have already been developed, either by UTC or others. So our overall partnership and support of the NASA community has been in place since the early 1960s, since the start of the Apollo program. We've provided environmental control and life support systems throughout that time frame, whether it be for spacesuits or for crewed vehicles. And we're providing those environmental control and life support systems, thermal control systems, and power management and distribution systems for the vehicle that's going to take humans beyond low Earth orbit. By nature, as humans, we're explorers. And knowing that we have the capability to develop those technologies and to make them as reliable as needed to get to Mars, it's very exciting.
With a keen focus on the future, United Technologies continues to work to solve global challenges sustainably.
We're rapidly growing our population on this planet to 9 billion people in 2050. This poses great sustainability challenges, and technologies can be the answer. United Technologies is uniquely positioned to meet that challenge, given the technology platforms we advance in aviation, in building systems, and in food refrigeration systems. Each of those will be critically important to help the world move forward much more sustainably as we grow our population and grow our economy.
For more information, please visit utc.com/naturalleader.